In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create layers in AutoCAD. Understanding how to manage layers effectively can greatly enhance your workflow, making it easier to organize your drawings and manage complex projects. So let's dive right into it. First, take a look at your AutoCAD interface and navigate to the ribbon on the Home tab. You will find a section dedicated to layers right there. This is your gateway to managing all layer-related functions. Click on the Layer Properties option in this section. It's a straightforward task, but if you are someone who prefers using the command line, there's a handy shortcut for you. Simply type Layers and hit Enter. Both methods will lead you to the same destination, the Layer Properties Manager. Once the Layer Properties Manager window appears, you'll see a list of all the layers currently present in your drawing. It's your control center for organizing different elements in your design. You might notice that I already have a few layers set up in my drawing. However, our focus today is on creating a new one. To add a new layer, look for the icon positioned at the top, usually marked by a color like yellow. Clicking on this icon is one way to add a new layer. Alternatively, if keyboard shortcuts are your preference and you want to streamline the process further, press Alt+N. Either action will immediately add a brand new layer to your list. Now that we have our new layer, let's customize it to fit your project's requirements. It's essential to name your layers descriptively, so go ahead and rename your new layer. This step will prevent confusion later on, particularly in more complex designs. Next, you have the option to tweak various settings, including the layer's color. Picking different colors for each layer can be a lifesaver, visually distinguishing elements as you switch between layers. Besides color, you can adjust the line weight, which helps in defining the thickness of your drawing lines. It's all about ensuring clarity when you finally print or review the digital file. Need to temporarily hide a layer? There's a visibility setting for that. Frozen layers, on the other hand, will not allow any editing until unfrozen. This feature acts as a safeguard against accidental changes. Finally, it's crucial to set this newly created layer as your current one if you wish to draw on it. When you do this, every new element you draw will automatically be placed onto this layer, keeping your project well organized. By mastering these basic steps, you're on your way to effectively managing layers in AutoCAD, ultimately enhancing both efficiency and precision in your design work. Keep practicing, and soon enough, managing layers will become second nature.